The Tormek T7 water-cooled sharpening system is ideal for professional sharpening applications, combining a water-cooled, slow-speed and durable grindstone with an angle guide for precision. The slow-speed wet grindstone of the Tormek T7 uses less friction than a dry grinder and won't remove as much material from the tool during sharpening, giving you a sharp clean result and a longer-lasting edge. The new Tormek Square Edge jig lines up the chisel at 90 degrees each time without any adjustment. This is achieved because the jig automatically aligns the chisel to its flat machined face. Regardless of wear and tear on the grindstone, the included Angle Master lets you set the angle of the jig to the grindstone, and can measure the existing edge angle of a tool. The included truing and dressing tool with screw feed can restore a worn stone to an even surface. This enables you to keep the stone in perfect condition, which is essential for a perfectly sharpened edge. The powerful heavy-duty motor turns the wheel at 90 revolutions per minute and can be run continually. For further convenience, the stainless steel shaft with easy lock feature means you can remove the grindstone without tools. What are customers saying about this Tormek T7 water-cooled precision sharpening system? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbenchgrinders.com.